Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a lot of you have been asking me my personal opinion of this post, and a lot of people have been talking about it. Edge OS, which is apparently a Edge browser-based operating system that is kind of similar to Chromebooks and Chrome OS and stuff like that. It was shown here, leaked by FireCube on Twitter. And so a lot of you have been asking me, is this true? Is this fake? What is this exactly? From what we know, this is fake. This is not something that's going to happen. According to him, according to FireCube here, we see that Microsoft plans to rebrand Windows 11 after switching a new web-based tech-powered shell, and they're calling it Edge OS. So no, there is no such thing. Microsoft is not working on anything like that. It is interesting idea though, and I think that this fake leak is actually interesting. When you think about it, what would be a lightweight system made by Microsoft based on Edge? It's like Chrome OS, it's based on Chrome. It would be a lightweight system. The idea behind it would be interesting, and it would run web-based, web-powered apps, which is nice, like Edge already does, by the way. And that little WinVer picture that you see here, version 2202 OS build 400.142, is a fake WinVer. This is not a real Windows version. Window of any kind. There is no such thing, and Microsoft does not work on Edge OS. But the idea behind it is interesting. The operating system would, or Edge Chromium based, would work like a Chrome OS, a Chromebook. You'd have lightweight systems running this, yes. So I think this is more of a let's throw something out to get some publicity more than anything else, because this does not come from anything that is official in any way. And actually, most analysts that looked at this said, no, this is not something that Microsoft is doing. So Windows 11 will not be rebranded in any way. And I think the fact that they've been bitten by the first try of Windows 10X, which was to be a lightweight operating system, is an indication that they're not going in that direction again, because they just got bitten once and they don't want to do that again. But overall, if that would be a thing, it would be interesting. I would like to try that. I would actually use one of my old PCs and run Edge OS on it, definitely, and play around. But sorry guys, this is a fake leak and this is not happening. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.